Once, seventh Sikh Guru, Shri Guru Har Rai Ji was wandering in a garden. His robe was caught in a bush and a few of the flowers were broken. This pained Har Rai's heart. He sat down on the spot and wept bitterly. Guru Har Gobind Ji came and advised him, "Wear your robe by all means, but be careful as you walk. It behoves God's servants to be tender to all things." Guru Har Rai Ji established a research center, an Ayurvedic hospital and a zoo at Kiratpur Sahib.
Winter blooming flowers of Akal University, Talwandi Sabo. Flowers don't worry about how they are going to bloom. They just open up and turn toward the light, and that makes them beautiful. Now, let's enjoy the beauty, colors of flowers, and wonderful interaction of flowers and insects.
Bauhinia is a genus of more than 500 species of flowering plants in the subfamily Caesalpinioideae of the large flowering plant family Fabaceae. The genus was named after Bauhin brothers Johann and Caspar Bauhin.
Calendula officinalis, commonly known as common marigold, garden marigold, English marigold or Scottish marigold, is a plant in the genus Calendula of the family Asteraceae. It is probably native to South Europe.
Cineraria is a genus of flowering plants in the sunflower family Asteraceae, native primarily to southern Africa with a few species farther north. The genus includes herbaceous plants and small subshrubs.
Dahlia is a genus of bushy, tuberous, herbaceous, perennial plants native to Mexico. It's a member of family Asteraceae. The modern name Asteraceae refers to the appearance of a star with surrounding rays. There are 42 species of Dahlia, with hybrids commonly grown as garden plants. Flower forms are variable. This great variety results from dahlias being octaploids. That is, they have 8 sets of homologous chromosomes, whereas most plants have only 2. In addition, dahlias also contain many jumping genes, that is, genetic pieces that move from place to place upon an allele.
Dianthus is a genus of about 300 species of flowering plants in family Caryophyllaceae, native mainly to Europe and Asia. Common names include carnation, Dianthus caryophyllus, pink Dianthus plumaris, and sweet william Dianthus barbatus. Dianthus barbatus, sweet william. It is a species of Dianthus native to southern Europe and parts of Asia, which has become a popular ornamental garden plant. Sweet william attract bees, birds and butterflies.
Dimorphotheca is a genus of plants in the sunflower family native to Africa and Australia. Is one of 8 genera of the Calendulae with a center of diversity in southern Africa. The name Dimorphotheca comes from the Greek dysmorphe and theca, meaning two-shaped fruit.
referring to the dimorphic sepale, a trait inherent to members of the Calendulae. Plants of this genus usually have bisexual flowers.
Euphorbia milli, variety splendens, also known as crown of thorns, Christ thorn, or garden dodak, is a species of flowering plants in the family Euphorbiaceae, native to Madagascar.
The poinsettia is commercially important plant species of the Euphorbiaceae family. The species is indigenous to Mexico. It is particularly well known for its red and green foliage and is widely used in Christmas floral displays.
Caladia, common name blanket flower, is a genus of flowering plants in the sunflower family Asteraceae, native to North and South America. The common name may refer to the resemblance of the inflorescence to the brightly patterned blankets made by Native Americans, or to the ability of wild taxa to blanket the ground with colonies.
Gazania is a genus of flowering plants in the family Asteraceae, native to southern Africa. They produce large, daisy-like composite flowers in brilliant shades of yellow and orange over a long period in summer. They are often planted as drought-tolerant ground cover.
Geranium is a genus of 422 species of the flowering annual, biennial, and perennial plants that are commonly known as crane's bills. They are found throughout the temperate regions of the world and the mountains of the tropics, but mostly in the eastern part of the Mediterranean region.
Kale or leaf cabbage is a group of vegetable cultivars within the plant species Brassica oleracea.
Marigold tagates is a genus of annual or perennial, mostly herbaceous plants in the sunflower family Asteraceae. It was described as genus by Linnaeus in 1753. The marigold is also widely cultivated in India and Thailand. Vast quantities of marigolds are used in garlands and decoration for weddings, festivals, and religious events. Marigolds cultivation is extensively seen in Andhra Pradesh, Tamil Nadu, West Bengal, Karnataka, and Uttar Pradesh states of India.
Mesembryanthemum means midday flowering, belongs to family Asteraceae and are grown as ornamental plants. They are brightly colored, beautiful, winter blooming flowers and are characterized by long-lasting flower heads. Magnolia champaca, known in English as champak, is a large evergreen tree in the Magnoliaceae family. It was previously classified as Michaelia champaca. It is known for its fragrant flowers and its timber used in woodworking. The flowers are used in Southeast Asia for several purposes. Especially in India, they are primarily used for worship at temples, whether at home or out. Mimulus, English monkey flower, belongs to family Scrofulariaceae. The generic name is derived from Latin mimo, an ape, from the supposed resemblance of the flowers to a mask or monkey's desirable reactions. Mimulus gracilis, an ornamental plant, is prized for its flowers.
Nerium oleander is an evergreen shrub or small tree in the dogbane family Apocynaceae, toxic in all its parts. It is the only species currently classified in the genus Nerium. Petunia is genus of 35 species of flowering plants of South American origin, closely related to tobacco, Cape gooseberries, tomatoes, deadly nightshades, potatoes, and chili peppers in the same family, Solanaceae. Petunias are generally insect-pollinated, with the exception of Petunia excerta, which is a rare red-flowered hummingbird-pollinated species. Most petunias are diploid with 14 chromosomes and are interfertile with other petunia species. The tubular flowers are favored by some Lepidoptera species, including the hummingbird hawk moth. The flowers are eaten by the larvae of the corn earworm and the cabbage looper.
Rose is perennial flowering plant of the genus Rosa of family Rosaceae. Rose perfume are made from rose oil, also called attar of roses. An associated product is rose water, which is used for cooking, cosmetics, medicine, and religious practices. In the Indian subcontinent, Ruh Afza, a concentrated squash made with roses, is popular, as well as rose-flavored ice creams and kulfi.
Of flowering perennial shrubs in the trumpet vine family Bignoniaceae that is native to Americas. Common name includes yellow trumpet bush, yellow bells, yellow elder, ginger thomas. Tecoma stans is the official flower of United States and the floral emblem of Bahamas. Yellow trumpet bush is an attractive plant that is cultivated as an ornamental plant. It is drought tolerant and grow well in warm climates.
Viola is a genus of flowering plants in the violet family Violaceae. It is the largest genus in the family, containing between 525 to 600 species. Lantana is a genus of 150 species of perennial flowering plants in the Verbena family Verbenaceae. They are native to tropical regions of the Americas and Africa, but exist as introduced species in numerous areas.
Hibiscus is a genus of flowering plants in family Malvaceae. It is quite large, containing several hundred species that are native to warm, temperate, subtropical and tropical regions throughout the world. Member species are often noted for their showy flowers and are commonly known as hibiscus or less widely known as rose mallow. Hibiscus rosa sinensis, China rose or shoe flower, a cultivated garden plant with large red flowers.
Algerionum is a genus of plants belonging to family Scrophulariaceae, commonly known as dragonflowers or snapdragon because of their resemblance to the face of a dragon that opens and closes its mouth when laterally squeezed. They are native to rocky areas of Europe, United States, and North Africa.
Worthy teachers and friends, this is a token of regards and affection from MSc 1 and BSc 1 Botany students 2015-16 for Baba Iqbal Singh Ji, Dr. Devinder Singh, Dr. Mrs. Neelam Kaur, and Dr. Gurmel Singh, the Vice Chancellor, Akal University.